Hi, I am Imal Aswath. There are three bags A, B, C. Bag A contains 7 black balls and 5 red balls. Bag B contains 5 red and 7 black balls. And bag C contains 7 red and 7 black balls. A ball is drawn, found to be black. Ball is drawn and found to be black. Find probability that it is drawn from bag A. So, it is from bag A, it must be a black ball. So this is a repeated pattern question that is in JEE mains. This is in April 24, that is April 4th 2024 question. This is a 24 question. In the same model, that is 25, also the same model is coming. So that is depending upon conditional probability. One problem is coming for JEE mains. So prepare it thoroughly. So the 3 bags, that is model is same only, but the numbers and the bags alone, and these word, the numbers and this one alone change. Other things are same only. So there are 3 bags A, B, C. Bag A contains 7 black balls and 5 red balls. So let E1, E2, E3 be the E1, E2, E3 be the choices. That is, here it is bag, but find probably that it is drawn from bag A. So there are 3 bags. So E1, E2, E3 be the choices for taking bag A. So bag A, B, C. Bag A, B, C. So P of E1 equal to, here 3 bags are having, so 3 bags from bag A, and P of E2 that is equal to 1 by 3, and P of E3 also it is equal to 1 by 3, equal chances. Next we have to find, that is from bag A we have to get black ball. From bag A we have to get black ball. That is P of that is let B be the black ball taken from bag A. B be the black ball. P be the black ball. So let P of P by E1. First P of P by E1, that is black ball from bag A. So what is the total? 7 black balls, 5 red balls. So 12. 7 black balls, 5 red balls, 12. Then what are the number of black balls? 7. Next in the same way, P of P by E2. That also 7 by 12. P of E2, that also 7 by 12. Next P of P by E3. Here it is 7 black balls, by the total is 7 plus 7, 14. 7 plus 7, 14 total balls. Next we have to find P of P. That is, we are going to use the total sum of probability theorem. That is equal to P of P equal to P of E1 into P of P by E1. Plus here 3 events only. Therefore P of E2 into P of P by E2. Plus P of E3 into P of P by E3. Now that is P of E1 equal to 1 by 3. P of P by E1 equal to 7 by 12. Plus P of E2 equal to 1 by 3. P of P by E2 equal to 7 by 12. Here P of E3 equal to 1 by 3 into 7 by 14. That is equal to 1 by 2. Now 14 by 36 plus 1 by 6. So that is equal to, so 6, here 6. So 20 by 36. So 5 4s are 20, 5 by then 9, 5 by 9. So P of P equal to 5 by 9. Next here we are going to use the Bayes theorem. For Bayes theorem, P of, that is a black ball, we have to choose it from black ball, we have to choose it from bag A. So P of E1 by B. P of E1 by B equal to P of E1 into P of B by E1 divided by P of P. That is the total probability, we found that. So P of E1 is 1 by 3. P of P by E1 is 7 by 12. 7 by 12 divided by, what is the total probability? That is 5 by 9. So now here that is 7 by 36 into 9 by 5. So 4 9s are 36, 1. What is the answer? 7 by 20. 7 by 20. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.